Welcome to a cozy fall decor guide. Today, we'll show you some ideas to create a warm, farmhouse-style mantle for the season. Using reclaimed wood, mason jars, and natural fall elements, you can design a charming and inviting centerpiece that brings the beauty of autumn indoors. Perfect for anyone who loves simple, rustic touches that create a welcoming atmosphere. Let's dive into some easy and creative ideas to decorate your fall mantle. Reclaimed wood shelf. Start with a rustic reclaimed wood mantle or shelf as the base. It adds an authentic farmhouse vibe and sets the tone for your fall decor. Mason jars with acorns. Fill mason jars with acorns, pine cones, or small fall berries. It's a simple yet elegant way to highlight the season's natural beauty. Fall foliage garland. Drape a garland made from fall or real fall leaves mixed with wheat or eucalyptus across the mantle for a colorful and textured look. Candles and lanterns. Place a few rustic lanterns with candles on each end of the mantle. The soft glow creates a cozy ambience in the evenings. Vintage picture frames. Add a few distressed or vintage-style picture frames with autumn-themed prints or family photos to personalize the mantle. Wooden pumpkin decor. Incorporate small wooden pumpkins or carved gourds for a subtle farmhouse fall touch. Burlap and ribbon accents. Tie a few burlap ribbons around candle holders or mason jars to enhance the rustic charm. Stacked logs. If your fireplace is not in use, stack a few decorative logs underneath the mantle to add a natural, earthy feel. Miniature hay bales. Add small hay bales on the mantle or the hearth to give your space a fun farmhouse look. Fall wreath above mantle. Hang the simple fall wreath made of twigs, leaves, and berries above the mantle for a stunning focal point. Copper or brass brass accents. Mix in copper or brass accents, such as candle holders or small bowls, for a vintage farmhouse feel. Plaid throw blanket. Drape a cozy plaid throw blanket over the corner of the mantel or fireplace for added texture and warmth. Glass vases with wheat. Place tall glass vases filled with wheat stalks or dried corn husks for height and a natural element. Antique books. Stack a few antique or leather-bound books on the mantel for a touch of history and charm. Wooden signs with fall sayings. Complete the look with a rustic wooden sign featuring a fall-inspired quote, like "Harvest Blessings" or "Welcome Fall." And there you have it, some simple, rustic ideas to create a charming farmhouse fall mantel. From reclaimed wood to vintage accents, these easy touches will help you bring the cozy, warm feel of autumn into your home. Whether you're a fan of natural elements or love the farmhouse style, these ideas are perfect for crafting a beautiful fall centerpiece. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!